In this video, we're going to talk about how to navigate the guitar. So as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strings on a standard guitar, and that's true for acoustic guitars and electric guitars. And there are different ways that we can discuss in terms of how to navigate the guitar or identify where we are. And for now, we're going to start with the simplest method, which is going to be using the names of the strings and the numbers of the frets. So again, we have 6 strings, and we're going to name these strings by the letter name of the note that the string represents. So this first string, this is the thickest string, and it is the highest up height-wise on the guitar. This is called the low E. From there, we go to A, then to D, then to G, then to B, and then to high E. Now, if you're just starting out, it's probably going to be tough to memorize those just by the letters. So what I like to do is use a mnemonic device to help remember what those names are. So I just use a simple little phrase that goes like this: elephants and donkeys grow big ears. E, A, D, G, B, E. So putting that into practice, we'll go through here starting on low E, and this is E, elephants, A, and D, donkeys, G, grow, B, big, and then E, ears. Elephants and donkeys grow big ears. So now that we have that out of the way, we're going to look at each of these rectangular boxes working our way up the guitar. So in total, this is called the fretboard of the guitar, and each of these rectangular boxes is called a fret. The easiest way for us to figure out where we're going to be playing on the guitar is by calling out the number of the fret that we are going to. So if we look at low E, we can go, if we don't have our fingers down anywhere, this is going to be open. If we put it here, this is going to be the first fret. There's the second fret. There's the third fret, fourth fret, fifth fret, and so on. So for instance, if I wanted to play the 7th fret of the B string, I would just navigate up like this. So elephants and donkeys grow big. Here's the B string, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's the 7th fret of the B string. If we wanted to do the 5th fret of the A string, we'll just go elephants and there's the A string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the 5th fret of the A string. Now, eventually, you will want to get to the point where you won't necessarily have to go through the names or the device going E, A, D, G, B, E. The more you play, the more you practice, the more you're just going to know that, oh, that's the G string. And similarly, you'll start to develop a sense of where you are on the guitar following. So you can see on my guitar, I have a dot on the 3rd fret, a dot on the 5th fret, dot on the 7th, dot on the 9th, and then up here, 2 dots on the 12th fret. So we can use those as navigational references. So if I want to play the 7th fret of the G string, I can just look down and know that's the 7th fret of the G string. Now, don't worry if you can't do that right away. It's a skill that you develop over time. But for now, just remember elephants and donkeys grow big ears, and then just count fret by fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. In the next video, we're going to talk about using those note names on the open strings to tune your guitar. Stay tuned.